YouTube? It's your boy LJ coming back at you with another video. Today we got this beautiful 392 Challenger right here from my boy. He local city boy. You already know how we do. So we just I'm gonna let y'all see this thing, man. I'm gonna let y'all see this thing. Look at this. Got the underglows on there. I don't know if y'all can see the underglows or not. Look at this. Woo! This thing is nice, man. Nice. He about to start up a YouTube soon. Very soon. What's your Instagram? Tell people your Instagram, man.
45 Khalid 45.
Hey, go give my boy a follow. Look at this. Man, I gotta have one of these. He downtown behind the library doing a little photo shoot real quick. He got that reflective tape right here, the Thundercat reflective tape. When the light hit it, you already know it's shining. Got them big boy brakes on there. Hey, you know it's serious when you see this right here. When you see that, you already know it's serious. If I have something like this, it's tickets every other month for me. If I have something like this, it's a ticket a month. A ticket a month. I'm telling you. If you're new, hit that sub button down below. Videos coming every week. I'm dropping videos every week. Hit the sub button, like the video, comment down below. We out here.